Today we are going to read a story called Frank and Hank. This is going to help us practice our sounds with NG and NK, the ng and nk sounds. I went through the story and highlighted all of my green words for the week. You can follow along and highlight them too, or do it after we read the story. Frank and Hank. Frank and Hank went to a song fest. On the way, they saw a sign that read, "Honk if you like to sing." So Fred did honk and Hank began to sing. Hank made up a song. Ring, ring, ring went the bell was his song. It was such a fun song to sing. Next, Frank made up a song. Frank the Tank was his song. His song did not make sense. With a wink and in a blink, Hank had to help Frank with his song, so it was good. They kept going. When they got to the song fest, Hank said, "Look, Frank, I see the big rink where the band will play. Let us go see the band." In the rink there was a tall man who looked just like a king. He had to stand in the rink and then he began to sing. The band began to play with the king as he sang. The song was so long the band had to stop, but the king still sang on. He said, "I must finish the song." The king got mad, so the band began to play so the king could finish. It was such a hot day, Frank and Hank went to see if they could find a drink. They had to think where they could go to get a drink. They did not have money to get a drink, so off to find a bank they went. They did not find the bank, so they left and went to the song fest. They began to look around, and Hank said, "I see a drink stand at the end of the rink." They went to the stand and got a drink of pop. It did not cost money. The pop was good, and the song fest did finish. "What a good day we had," said Frank. "Yes," said Hank, "it was a good day." Now, go through your story, Frank and Hank, and find all of your green words. Use your green crayon, and then practice reading the story.